Framing costs for new home construction can vary widely. The numbers you provided may be on the higher end. You may find framing costs are closer to $1.75 per square foot of heated and cooled space, though it's possible to see as much as $2.25 per square foot. Several factors influence these costs. Firstly, the type of framing material used plays a significant role. Different materials have different prices and installation requirements, impacting the overall cost. Secondly, the complexity of the home's design is another crucial factor. A two-story home, for example, will generally have higher framing costs compared to a single-story home due to the increased labor and material required for the more complex structure. Thirdly, the level of energy efficiency desired in the home also affects framing costs. Homes built with TUC6 construction for enhanced insulation will typically cost more to frame than those built with standard TUCs for construction. Once you've determined your costs for framing materials and labor, a standard practice is to add a percentage for overhead and profit to the framing portion of the project. A 15% addition is a reasonable starting point. Labor costs can be significantly impacted by the presence of undocumented workers in the market. These workers often offer lower labor rates than established framing crews. While many undocumented workers are skilled and perform quality work, it's essential to have a competent foreman overseeing their work to ensure quality control and prevent potential issues. Consider whether you are facing competition from framing crews employing undocumented workers, as this can affect your pricing strategy. The presence of undocumented workers can create price pressure in the market, making it more challenging to compete on price alone. To maintain a competitive edge while ensuring fair pricing, focus on differentiating your services through quality workmanship, reliable scheduling, and excellent customer service. Highlight your experience, expertise, and commitment to delivering a superior product to justify your pricing. Be transparent with your general contractor about your costs and pricing structure. Explain the factors that contribute to your pricing, such as material quality, labor rates, insurance, and overhead expenses. This transparency can help build trust and demonstrate the value you bring to the project. In addition to direct framing costs, consider the potential impact of factors like waste and material price fluctuations. Accurate material takes and waste minimization strategies can help control costs. Monitoring market trends and securing material prices in advance can mitigate the risk of price increases. By carefully considering all these factors and differentiating yourself through quality and service, you can remain competitive while maintaining fair pricing in the market. Remember to stay informed about local market conditions, labor rates, and material costs to ensure your pricing remains realistic and profitable.